If you've been trying to get free stuff on Temu, but you're not sure if you're doing it right or why it's not working, this will clear everything up because most people either miss one key step or follow random methods that don't actually work. So in this video, I'll explain how to get free stuff on Temu and the correct way to use the free gift code method. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. What the free gift system actually is. Let's keep it simple. Temu Free Gift is not a giveaway, it's a promotion system. That means you enter a campaign, you complete actions, you unlock rewards step by step. So it's not enter code, get free item instantly. It works like this: enter, activate, then follow, then unlock. Why it doesn't work for most people. Here's where people get stuck. 2 users try the same thing. One gets the free gift event, the other sees nothing. That's because Temu doesn't show the system the same way to everyone. It depends on how you enter, the key mistake. Most people open Temu normally, start browsing, then try using a code. By that point, they're already outside the system and nothing shows up. Part 2, the correct method. Here's what actually works. Step 1, enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2, activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is linked to the system. Step 3, open Temu. After that, open the app. You should now see free gift section, reward screen, item selection. If not, try again once. Step 4, enter the code. Now enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion. Step 5, follow the flow. Now just follow what Temu shows: offers, tasks, steps. This is how rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's keep it real. The system works. People are getting items. It becomes simple once you understand it. It's not instant. Some steps take time. Results can vary. Final takeaway. If you weren't able to get free stuff before, it's not because it doesn't work. It's because the process wasn't followed correctly. Fix the entry, follow the system, and everything starts working the way it should. Try this method and comment what happened. Did the free gift section appear for you?